Hi AQA, I've recently moved to you for GCSE Maths and I'm not sure where to start. The first thing to do is to visit our GCSE Maths page and register for updates from us. We'll send you everything you need to know, including admin information for your exams officer, so you can focus on the teaching. Then click through to our resources site, All About Maths, and register there if you haven't already done so. You'll find a single platform where you can browse all of our supporting resources. To familiarise yourself with the specification, our teaching guidance explains in detail and with examples the scope of every topic in the specification. Next, you'll want to start planning. A good starting point is our route map, which is an outlined scheme of work. You can customise it to create your own approach and arrange topics in the order you want to teach. Once you've organised your route map, you can then click on any topic to see the resources we have available. You'll find related lesson ideas, homework sheets and activities written by teachers and focusing on the topics that are new to the revised GCSE. You may wish to check your students' progress along the way on a topic-by-topic basis, particularly with a new specification. You can access our topic tests for every topic in the specification, covering both tiers, and use them as they are or edit to create your own tests. Multiple choice quizzes can be a quick and effective way of gauging student performance and the areas where improvement is required. We've partnered with Craig Barton's Diagnostic Questions site to host multiple choice quizzes, written by our examiners, covering all topics and backed up by a wealth of analysis. Or you can use the thousands of questions on the site to create your own quizzes. You may also find face-to-face peer support to be really valuable. Maths Advocates host network meetings for AQA teachers every term all around the country. It's a free opportunity to meet colleagues and to catch up with the latest from us. So do check if there's a network meeting near you. We've collected the links you need to follow this process. These include the link to our e-library, where we've grouped together the best free resources from third parties to save you searching. Go to aqa.org.uk/u-asked-maths. Once again, that's aqa.org.uk/u-asked-maths. We hope this has been useful and we'll be back next time with more of your questions.